Hi, I'm Dr. Deepa. Welcome to my channel Together in Fun. Whirlwind. A whirlwind is a column of air rapidly moving round and round in a cylindrical or funnel shape. It is a weather phenomenon in which a vortex of wind forms due to instabilities and turbulence created by heating and flow gradients. Whirlwinds occur all over the world and in any season. Whirlwinds are subdivided into two main types: the great or major whirlwinds and the lesser or minor whirlwinds. The first category includes tornadoes, waterspouts, and landspouts. Other lesser whirlwinds include dust devils as well as steam devils, snow devils, debris devils, leaf devils or hay devils, water devils and shear eddies such as mountainado and eddy whirlwinds. A major whirlwind is formed from supercell thunderstorms or other powerful storms. When the storm starts to spin, they react with other high altitude winds, causing a funnel to spin. A cloud forms over the funnel, making it visible. A minor whirlwind is created when local winds start to spin on the ground. This causes a funnel to form. The funnel moves over the ground, pushed by the winds that first formed it. The funnel picks up materials such as dust or snow as it moves over the ground, thus becoming visible. Major whirlwinds last longer because they are formed from very powerful winds, and it is hard and indeed not possible to interrupt them. Minor whirlwinds are not as long lived. The winds that form them do not last long, and when a minor whirlwind encounters an obstruction such as a building, a house, a tree, etc., its rotation is interrupted and is the wind flow into it, causing it to dissipate. Supercell thunderstorms, other powerful storms, and strong winds are seen with major whirlwinds. Windstorms are commonly seen with minor whirlwinds. Also, small, semi-powerful wind blasts may be seen before some minor whirlwinds, which can come from a windstorm. These wind blasts can start to rotate and form minor whirlwinds. Winds from other small storms such as rainstorms and local thunderstorms can cause minor whirlwinds to form. Like major whirlwinds, these minor whirlwinds can also be dangerous at times. If you are watching this channel for the first time, subscribe. If you like the content, click the like button and share. If you want to see more of these videos, enable the bell icon. Thank you.